visit our website. Under My Accounts, click on Login. Enter your email address and password. Click Sign In and you will enter in a dashboard section. Scroll down and click on your plan. Click on Start Learning button. You will find all the AI tools on the left. Click on this button to use this window in full screen mode. From this form, select your board, then select your class, then select your subject and enter your topic name. Then click on Generate button and you will get notes on that topic. Click on this Copy button to copy notes. Thank you for watching.